All right, let's go ahead and find a general formula for the equation of a circle. Okay, so let's go ahead and establish a first quadrant center without loss of generality, keeping things nice and simple for us as much as we can. Okay, we all know what a circle looks like. Let's go ahead and sketch one. Okay, there we go. And we know it's going to have a center there. Now, for any point x comma y that exists on the locus of points we refer to as a circle, we know we're going to have a fixed distance to the center of the circle, okay? You can think of the center of the circle as like the only focus of the circle, okay? We can just call this r for radius. Now, we're going to let the circle's center be the point h comma k, okay? And we can define a few values here. Okay. Here we go. So this is h comma 0, and this is x comma 0. This here is 0 comma k. This here is 0 comma y. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and establish here that I have a right triangle regardless of the point I choose. Okay, regardless of the point x comma y I choose. I'll call this t1, I'll call this t2. We know that t1 squared plus t2 squared will equal r squared for every such value. Okay. Well, but what is t1? t1 is simply going to be x minus h, right? t2 is simply going to be y minus k. Okay. Well, that means we have x minus h quantity squared plus the quantity y minus k all squared equals r squared. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Easiest conic section to derive. All right, there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns. Of course, we love hearing your feedback and receiving recommendations for future content. Have a great rest of your night, and we will see you in the next video.